Kinley, what do you got?
Thank you. Thanks. Oh, you want to put it back? Put it in there. I'll get more. Oh, you little sneak. This way. Come here. Good job. Yeah, put the dirt all over that. Yep. Some dirt. Thank you. It definitely needs. Say rah! Shake it. Shake it everywhere. Yeah. Shake that dirt. Yeah. Come here. Hello. Yep. Rub dirt all over the windows. Good. Can I put dirt on that? Yeah. Dirt, dirt, dirt.
Whoa, whoa.
Smash the dirt in there. It's okay. You're fine. What? You lost dirt? Is that why?
She dropped a
Get
handful.
some more. Get some more dirt. Yes. You gonna put it in there? There you go. Good job. Now grab some more. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Thanks. Cool dirt. Yeah. What you got? Some dirt? Tons of dirt. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Enough dirt.
Kinley, stop.
Getting a whole pile. Yeah! Shake it. Shake that dirt.
Oh, she's a mess now.
What are you doing? No, now it's her like, this is fucking sitting.